Today we're showing you a 2010 John Deere 3320 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300CX quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 500 hours. The old hour meter quit at about 500 hours, or actually the instrument cluster went bad. The hour meter did not. Fella changed the instrument cluster, which started the hours over, so it's got about 12 or 13 hours on it now. So total hours are just over 500 hours on this machine. This was traded in by the original owner. Tractor was used on a small property. Had very light usage, obviously, with only 500 hours. It's a very, very clean tractor. Again, it does have the 300CX loader, which is the heavier loader for these machines. It does have the skid steer style quick attach for your bucket connection, which is kind of unusual for these tractors. It's a nice feature there. Bucket is in great shape. It does have the front grill guard. You have a scratch here in the front of the hood, and then it also has, I'm not quite sure what was going on here, but it's got some scuffs here on the cowl around the dash. Not sure what happened there, but overall very nice tractor. It's got a few minor imperfections there, as we pointed out, but overall very nice tractor. Runs and works just like it should. Engine is pre-emission. It has none of the Tier 4 exhaust filters. Also has the rear hydraulic outlet on it. And as you can see, the tractor is in really nice shape. Nice suspension seat for the operator. Does have the e-hydro transmission. 3 ranges in that transmission. Also has mid PTO as well as the rear PTO, obviously. And all your cruise control, load match, motion match, those switches are over there. Twin pedals on the floor for your hydro. Just a very nice, very clean machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.